Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning, back with another video as part of our 2020 video challenge. Today we're continuing on the Quora estate planning series, answering questions from Quora about estate planning here on video for you. The next one is, should I use LegalZoom for estate planning? And we'll just sort of be brand agnostic. Should I use online will forms or will services for estate planning? And the answer is, it kind of depends, right? So I don't like to poo-poo or ridicule people who use DIY services, because they serve a purpose. Unfortunately, not everybody can engage lawyers, because lawyers traditionally are going to be more expensive. And if you don't have the budget for traditional legal planning, then something like LegalZoom is better than nothing, right? But if you do have that sort of level of need and you're using LegalZoom just to save a few bucks, but you otherwise should be engaging professional legal services, then you may be sort of walking down a path of despair, for lack of a better term, because you don't know what you don't know, and you may be, creating structures that don't do what you want them to do. So the big issue with LegalZoom and with any sort of these DIY will template services are that you don't know if what you're doing is actually carrying out your wishes in a way that you want to be the case. You don't really know what the will does, how it works, why it is the way it is, and that sort of thing. So you're really just relying, and you're putting a lot of trust in a company like LegalZoom, that they know what they're doing, and that their forms are going to be sufficient for a North Carolina estate. Or that they take into consideration the nuances of real estate and those sort of things and how it works in North Carolina. So for most people, I don't think LegalZoom is going to be an effective solution for you. But if it means the difference between planning or not, then LegalZoom is better than nothing. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.